In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change download quality in the Audible app. If you've ever noticed your audiobooks taking up a lot of space, or you want the best possible sound for your headphones, adjusting your download quality is a quick fix. I'll walk you through it step by step, and I'll explain what each option means so you can choose what's best for you. First, open the Audible app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed in and on the main screen. The layout can look slightly different on iPhone and Android, but the icons you need are in the same places. Next, tap your profile icon. You'll usually find it in the bottom right corner of the screen, and it looks like a person's silhouette. This takes you to your account area where you can access app preferences and manage your listening settings. In the top right corner of your profile page, tap the Settings gear icon. This opens the settings menu for the Audible app. If you don't see the gear right away, give the page a second to load, then look again in the top right area. From the list of settings, select Data and Storage. This section controls how the app uses your device's space and your network connection. It's where you can fine-tune the balance between audio quality, download size, and data usage. Under download quality, choose between standard or high. Here's how to decide. Standard is a smaller file size, which saves storage space on your device and uses less data when you download. It's a great choice if you're listening on the go, using cellular data, or downloading long books and want to keep space free for other apps and media. High gives you a richer, fuller sound with more detail, which is especially noticeable with quality headphones or speakers. It does use more storage and more data during downloads, so it's best when you're on Wi-Fi and have plenty of space available. A couple of quick tips. This setting affects the files you download after you change it. Previously downloaded audiobooks will stay as they are. If you want the best results with high quality, connect to Wi-Fi before downloading to avoid extra data charges. If you're not sure which to use, start with standard and switch to high later if you want more detail in the sound. That's it, you've adjusted your download quality in Audible. Remember, you can come back to data and storage anytime and switch between standard and high based on your needs. Happy listening.